day, everyone. We are Royal Cafe. I am Kaila Ekalupan. I am Sandra Linda Moro. I am Lauren Fernandez.
I'm Howard Tumaya. I'm Ito Ensinare.
And today, we are going to show you how to make hot and cold using the Arabica coffee bean. But before we start, let's check first our tools and equipment and of course our ingredients. Let's start first with our equipment. We have here the coffee press and the coffee grinder. For our ingredients, we have of course coffee bean, fresh milk, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, and our toppings. And for our tools, we have here the coffee cup for cold and of course the coffee cup for hot.
So without further ado, let's get started!
So for the first step, we use coffee grinder to grind the coffee bean. After that, put the granules and the water on the coffee press, then set the timer into 10 minutes. After that, put some hot water again until the coffee press is full of water. Stir it until the mixture was combined. Then press it, and while we are waiting, we boiled a fresh milk. While we are waiting to the hot fresh milk and brewed coffee, we put a chocolate and caramel toppings on the cup. Then we put the ice on the cup. A few inches later, we put the hot milk in the coffee press and add vanilla syrup. And press it until the milk looks smooth. In the girls group, they put first the brewed coffee, then the next is the milk. The boys group, we put the fresh milk first and then add the brewed coffee. Then we also add the smooth milk on the top. And also, don't forget the toppings on the top. And now you have a iced coffee. Like in iced coffee procedure, we put the coffee granules to the coffee press, then add a little bit water, and make a timer of 10 minutes. Stir it until the mixture was combined. A few seconds later, we put a little bit again, then stir it again. A few minutes later, we fill the water until the coffee press becomes full. Then press it. Add the hot milk on another coffee press, then press it until the mixture becomes smooth. For additional sweetness of coffee, we use flat tops and melt it with the hot brewed coffee. Stir it to make the chocolate melt fast. Add the 3/4 full brewed coffee in a cup, and lastly, the milk on the top. And now you have a hot brewed coffee.